Hey, welcome to a course on learning one of the most powerful programming languages, C++. Throughout this course, we will delve into all aspects of this language, learning to create console projects, mastering the basics of object-oriented programming, getting acquainted with file handling, and much more. But before we dive into the language itself, let's explore its history, understand why it remains relevant, and discover the capabilities C++ offers in the year 2024. Well then, let's get started. The C++ language emerged back in the distant year of 1983. Due to its age, it is often referred to as the progenitor for many contemporary programming languages, and this is not without reason. During the development of this language, its creator, Jarn Stroustrup, conceived and described many important concepts that today form the foundation for various modern languages, including C# and Java. Originally envisioned as an improved version of the C language, which emerged a decade earlier in 1972, it received its name precisely because it became an enhanced iteration of the C language. Hence, C++. So, C++ inherited much from the C language, but, in the process, gained additional functionality and capabilities. C++ introduced many new features, with a particular emphasis on the concept of object-oriented programming and generic programming. We will delve into these topics in detail during the course. You can look at the age of these languages and ask yourself, why are these languages still popular, and is it worth learning them? Today, there are more convenient programming languages both in terms of code writing and functionality. The key reason lies in the fact that both of these languages execute much faster than their counterparts. Whenever code execution speed is crucial, these two languages always take precedence. It's worth noting that the C language is even faster, but due to its significantly outdated syntax, many prefer the newer C++ language. Indeed, both of these languages are exceptionally fast because, after code is written, it is almost immediately translated into machine code, which is then executed by the computer. Other languages, like Python, do not operate in the same way. Python is initially interpreted through a separate built-in program and later compiled into machine code. This difference may be just a few seconds or even milliseconds, but sometimes even such a small gap plays a significant role, especially when you are developing a microprocessor, an operating system, or even programming a NASA spacecraft. When it comes to the capabilities and application areas of the language, they typically involve domains where every millisecond matters for code execution. Let's take a look. If you are building a website and it loads 500 milliseconds earlier or later, it's not that problematic. For website development, it's easier to use newer languages like Python, Java, C#, and the like. However, if you are programming a high-precision application with calculations, creating a game, or undertaking other projects where code speed is crucial, then C++ is the ideal choice. In general, C++ can be used in any field. It is versatile and suitable for everything, from website development to game design, machine learning, and more. Throughout the course, we will start from scratch and delve into the C++ language, exploring all its fundamental concepts together. You will learn to work with variables, arrays, computer memory, text files, OOP, templates, and much more. By the end of the course, you will have a solid understanding of the C++ language. Additionally, we will embark on several interesting projects, preparing you for a comprehensive interview for a C++ developer position. It's worth mentioning that there is no need to learn the C language before this course. While C++ is an improved version of C, it is a distinct programming language on its own. I will also provide you with homework assignments and other valuable information throughout the course. Well, that concludes our lesson. Throughout the lesson, we familiarized ourselves with the language, learned what it is capable of, and how to work with it. In the upcoming lessons, we will practice the language and build various programs based on it. This is it for me. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and if so, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the future. Until then, goodbye.